This is the brief on the March 2026 Indian Ocean maritime crisis. So, picture this. Right after a joint naval exercise, two Iranian warships suddenly found themselves caught in an escalating shootout with the U.S. It really put neutral neighbors, like India and Sri Lanka, in a super tough spot. I mean, how do you provide humanitarian help without accidentally picking a side? First, as shocking as it sounds, that U.S. submarine attack that sank the Iranian warship IRS Dina was completely legal. The strike actually happened in Sri Lanka's Exclusive Economic Zone, or EEZ. Under the law of armed conflict, warring forces can absolutely fight in a neutral nation's EEZ, just as long as they stay out of its strictly protected 12 nautical miles sovereign territorial waters. Crazy, right? Second, India's call to let the surviving Iranian ship, the IRS Liwan, dock in Kochi was purely about saving lives. The vessel reported some major technical issues, and get this, international maritime rules explicitly allow neutral nations to give temporary shelter and repairs to warships in distress. Doing that doesn't compromise their neutral status or drag them into the fight. Finally, this whole situation really highlights the hard limits of naval diplomacy. Once those Iranian ships left Indian waters after their exercise, India literally had zero operational control or any legal duty to protect them. So that left both India and Sri Lanka to focus strictly on neutral post-attack search and rescue efforts. Ultimately, this ordeal shows us that out on the open ocean, neutral nations really have to walk a razor-thin line between following complex maritime boundaries and that fundamental human duty to rescue those in need. This is the brief on the March 2026 Indian Ocean maritime crisis. So, picture this. Right after a joint naval exercise, two Iranian warships suddenly found themselves